Umintri rang ba kajala ukon rat ke sangma ula ong baka sorkar jala kan haban pynlut sa praspa khatnyo klur tingka snem ban pentre kam ya kajing siew tulop thymmai shaki palat arpula hajar ngot ki nonghikai ad hoc but SSA kaban sedang na du kashitarik ya yong archa arpun rio kani karai kathmu ban penbet renti ya kajing dawa kabala slam ya karukam siew tulop kabaya hab bat na kabenta kajing shngan hakakam na kabenta ki nonghikai baro kapisa kaban sa pynlut ban pentre kam ya kan kajing siew tulop thymmai shaki nonghikai kalong kumba praspa khatnyo klur tingka kani kan long kajing pynlut kaba ka sorkar jala kan haban pynlut man lau snem ong ukon rat habakren shakilap thai kubor ha ka santrik rumpang hadin kajing alang kakin hun menteri kumta baro kani kan sajia ha kini ki drip house ngi ki banwan bat ngin sa pentre kam ya kani ka rukam siu tulap ka batmai hapo joka shitarik uya yong archa arpun riu penbena ukon rat kani kajing siu ka batmai ka kenthop ya kajing pen kiu ka baman la usnam kajing pen he ya ka tulap da ka bapen shong nong rem kat kum kajing tre slam ha ka kam bat ka kendon ka baya dei bat usen yang sha ka contributory provident fund CPF ya ka rukam pentre kam on sa pendap ha kini ki ar benai banwan ha ka ba ka rukam siu ka batmai kan sedang tre kam da du ka shitarik ya yong archa arpun rio.
As you're aware, this decision is a decision where the ad hoc teachers and the SSA teachers mainly, numbering approximately 23,099, who were receiving grant in aid, and of course in SSA case they were receiving also the structure that was proposed from and cleared by Government of India, and different structures were being given to different teachers, and hence there has been a demand for a very long time that there should be some kind of a structured pay, a framework should be created, and there should be some kind of security in terms of the job for the concerned teacher. For the last 6 months, we have been in discussion with the different teachers and different associations. And before Christmas, we had announced the decision to go ahead with the structured pay frame. The numbers were finalized during that time. And I did not announce the numbers then because we had not approved it in the cabinet. But I can share with you that we have today approved the same proposal that was there in the cabinet today. And in the next 2 months, we will work out the nitty-gritties of other important interventions that need to be taken, because this is a reform that we're doing, and the reform will have multiple aspects. And hence, while we give the teachers their salary package, the structured pay framework, there are other structures or restructuring that will take place within the schools also. So all of this will happen in the next 60 days, and we will be implementing the new structured pay framework by 1st of April 2026. The total amount that will be spent on giving this structured pay framework to teachers is approximately 817 crores will be the annual impact on the state government.